hot box tenders for $45. The box of fries was $10.
You know what?
This was $2.99.
Yeah, I got all that and then I was going to
Nah.
Which one's spicy?
Okay.
The red?
Bread is right here, but there's no pickles.
Yeah, this would be coming like a jar of pickles. Wow.
Right there.
No, not that one.
Which one?
Cause we should have got one that came with the meal of salt, and now no one's extra. You don't want a sauce. You come with the sauce.
Let's not kill the vibe.
Yeah,
Let's not kill the vibe. With the
We should
good.
take like a bigger and long. Thank you.
How's the chicken?
You know what this reminds me of?
Huh.
B-Dub's the Caribbean jerk. The smell kind of reminds me of that.
I don't want any. Can I smell it?
There's no flavor.
Well, see, that's what people are saying.
Chicken.
It's too hot.
I don't get it. What do they season? Like paprika?
That's spice, man.
Look on the
No
camera.
It's not spice.
Look. Look at it.
No.
I give it like a 6 out of 10.
I give it a 5 out of 10.
Your turn. I give it a 9 out of 10. I give a 9.5.
Ah, okay.
I get 42.9.
Um,
So you can only say 10.
You didn't bubble?